So this is the Rock Academy. Ayan. Different kinds of rocks. Ito yung Rhyolitic Volcanic Rock location and the island. Ayan. And then this is the igneous rock. Ayan. Here muna, ikot natin to. Oh, medyo malayo-layo. So, next is Utah Site Rock location at Clearwater Bay Peninsula. Yeah. And next, it's Rhyolite location at Sharp Island. 143 million years. Ayan. And next is Feldspar Ferric Rhyolite location at north coast of Lantau Island. Oh, 146 years old. And this is Jurassic period, is 164 million location at Cape de Aguilar Granodiorite. Okay. So, medyo napuntahan ko na lahat yung yun. And this is Pegmatite location at Middle Hill. Okay, so ito yung map Upchow. Yan. Geoparks Visitor Center, Geopark Boundary, Geopark Nashichao, Lachicho. Tongping Chow. I've been there na. And this is the sedimentary rock. Ayan. So yan, medyo marami nating ikutin pero hindi na ako mag-ikot. So I'll be going out here. Lalabas tayo. Ito yung banded granite from Lamma Island. 144 million years daw yun. And Lamma Island again, granite. Yan, granite daw. Ito, quartz monzonite. Location, Sharp Island. 140 million years. Yan. Ito na naman, basalt. 70 million years. From Cape de Aguilar daw. Kasi ang dami pa nating ikutin pero yun lang papakita ko sa inyo at ako lalabas punta dun sa taas. Okay. Maraming aso, marami din batang nagpi-field trip dito. Yan, so let's labas-labas muna.